Welcome to the first episode of Gardening Tips with Yuri for Gardena. In this episode, we're gonna go over spring cleaning. We give our homes a thorough clean. We pull out our beloved summer cars from hibernation, but it's also very important to give your trusty Gardena tools a quick once-over as well. In this episode, we'll be setting up the GARDENA Hose Reel for summer, checking our other Gardena tools, and most importantly, servicing my favorite robot of all time, my GARDENA Robotic Lawn Mower. So to start things off, I'm going to grab my GARDENA Hose Reel out from my garage. I'm going to easily carry it to the wall and slide it right into place. From there, I'm going to use the quick release to plug it into the wall, and then I'll use the quick release to attach my nozzle. And very easily, I'm able to retract it all the way out and bring it over to some curbs that could use a little bit of a wash and cleaning. And like always, I love watching my GARDENA hose retract. So here's a gratuitous shot of it winding back up. It's just such a perfect hose. But next up, it's probably best to clean off all your GARDENA tools from the year. So I'm gonna bring them all out to the grass, hose them down, and clean off all the dirt that may have gotten stuck on there from last season. So now we're gonna grab our GARDENA Robotic Mower and the maintenance and cleaning kit. Once we take a look at the box, we see that it comes with some screwdrivers to help disassemble part of it for cleaning, a nice brush to get in around the wheels, a cloth to wipe the top off, and another brush to get into some of the sticky stuff. So after opening up the maintenance and cleaning kit, the first thing I'm going to do is spin upside down and take off the old blades. Mine have gotten a little dull over the winter, so I made sure I ordered another set to install. The next thing I'm going to do is hose it all down, get all of the dirt off that I can with the GARDENA hose, flip it around, take the cover off, and get all that dirt off as well. So now to scrub some of that extra grass and dirt that was left on from last year. And then we can unscrew the blade section as well so we can get under it even more. I also think I'm going to adjust it a little bit shorter this year because I have been working a lot on my grass and I'm ready for the 2 setting. Update, we have gone down to the 1 setting because this thing is doing such a great job of keeping my front yard nice and short. Also make sure you get in around those wheels. The brush is really good for that, and that's where a lot of grass got stuck from last season. With most of the dirt gone, I'm going to hose it down, give it one last scrub before it's time to flip it over and give the top a nice clean shine. And then we can use the spray that's provided with the maintenance and cleaning kit and then the microfiber cloth to give it a nice wipe down, make this thing look showroom quality for my lawn. I need this thing looking as detailed as any of my cars would be. Make sure that GARDENA logo is nice and shiny and popping in the sun. And with the robotic mower all clean, it's time for me to install newer blades onto the bottom of it, which is a very easy install with the screws and blades provided. And then I have some leftover screws for later on in the year in case these get a little bit dull. So now with the robotic mower all clean, I'm actually going to install it in the front of my house instead of just the back of my house this year so that I can have it run on the front and the back. First thing I'm going to do is clip in the harness for the wires for the back of the station. And first I'm just going to lay the wire down as a test around the perimeter just to make sure the GARDENA mower can get up and down all of the slopes just fine so that I know how far back I need to set the cable into the grass. And setting up the perimeter and guide wire took me only about 30 to 40 minutes this year, which was great. I learned a lot from setting it up in my backyard last year, so the next year it's much easier. And then I just need to bolt the base to the ground with the provided screws, toss the GARDENA robotic mower onto the charging base station, and with the GARDENA Bluetooth app, I am ready to start mowing my lawn. I'm just gonna click start, and we'll see how it does. I hope you're all ready for a little bit of a GARDENA robotic mower montage. Well, I hope you all liked that first episode of Gardening Tips with Yuri. Feel like now we are ready for spring, ready to do some gardening, and hopefully you guys subscribe so you can catch some more of these episodes. And remember, use GARDENA products to realize your gardening dreams.